Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is kind of an unboxing, just maybe a reveal. I won't go through the whole thing of unboxing it, but I will show you what I got. And it is from Dooney. You already know that because you saw the title. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon, and it's a pretty good one. So definitely subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for that. If you like the hair I'm wearing today, I will leave a link for you up here. I've done a video on it, so you can see that. I like it with the blue. What do y'all think? I think it's pretty with the blue, sets it off. All right, now here is the box that it came in, DBI, so you can see that's Dooney Bourke. I ordered this from, it wasn't from I Love Dooney, was it? I can't remember. I'll look at the receipt and let you know. I do know that it was on, it said pre-order, which to me, I'm like, pre-order because I don't think it's a new item at all, but I believe I waited something like a month for this bag, and I was waiting and waiting and wanting this bag so badly. So let me just go ahead, take it out of the box, and I will show it to you. 1 second. Just really quickly, it's actually packaged nicely. That's been an issue as of late, but this is not a big bag, but a bigger bag, so it actually fits in the box, and it's not one little bitty piece just moving around in the box like I showed you. I did an unboxing a while back with just some small pieces, and they were in boxes like this, and it was like this one thing, so I'll link that above. Okay, so the dust bag is on the bottom, so not in the bag. And here is the bag. Wow, I can barely get it in the shot. Here is the bag. I think this is from Dooney, not I Love Dooney, because I'm not seeing any of the I Love Dooney markings anywhere. They were having a 30% off sale, I want to say, and I was waiting for that so I could get this bag because I've been wanting it really badly, like I said. All right, this is just called the small satchel. It doesn't have any particular fancy name. It's the small satchel, and it's black, and it is pebble leather. So here it is. I'm so excited. It has really pretty gold hardware. You can see there. Smells really good. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. Yes, love it, love it. All right, so I really wanted this one. If you remember, if you've been watching, you know that I got a Florentine. I don't think I have it in here. I do have it in here. It was behind me. I have this one. So this is the Florentine. It's a satchel, but it doesn't have the handles. So it looks about pretty much the same size. I can actually do a comparison video if you're interested. I was just really wanting one that had handles. So nicely done with the paper here, and of course the handles are wrapped in plastic. And this is, let me show you the tag. Yeah, it just says small satchel. Maybe you can see that. Okay, so beautiful tassels over on the side, so pretty, and zip top closure with the red interior. And of course it does have the shoulder strap, which is good because I love a shoulder strap, but I also love handles. I like to be able to carry my bags different ways, and that was the only thing really that I didn't like about that one that I just showed you. Really the only con that I have to that bag was the fact that it didn't have handles. And so I looked, and I was thinking that there was one, and so I looked online, and sure enough there is. And it's not one that was on any of their sales, like their markdowns or anything, so I had to wait until there was just a percentage off the entire site in order to get it. Okay, it looks like the packaging is going to be hard to get off, and I don't have scissors in here, but let me just show you the handles. You can see the braided handles, how pretty those are. And there's a little bit of a contrasting stitch there, so I really like how that looks. It's black, so that means that the handles and all of the, I don't know what you call it, straps and stuff, they're all black rather than the brown color that they have in most of their bags, unless you get black. They might have some that are like navy. You can get just all navy. I don't remember.
Okay, if I moved, it's because I had to go check my bagel and let my dog in. I burned my bagel.
So we were talking about the straps. The braiding on here is really, really pretty. I really like that. And the shoulder strap, of course, is adjustable. On the inside, there's the key keeper, like always. Oh, interesting. I got 2 dust bags because there was that dust bag that I just showed you, and there's one in here. So there's the regular Dooney. I don't know why they sent that cream colored dust bag. We have the slip pockets here on this side, and then on the other side we have a zipper pocket, and then another, so the zipper pocket right there, and then another slip pocket down below it. Eventually, the way it stands up here, if you're not familiar with this bag, you kind of, you know, want to press it down a little bit, and when you put your stuff in it, it's going to weigh it down. So it'll weigh it down and make that leather will get more and more supple and make it go down like that. So it's easier to carry, you know. Of course, when it's up like this, you really can't get your hand through there. So yeah, it'll eventually kind of lay down on its own. I really like the hardware on here. I really like the rings on this. I think that's really pretty. It's kind of different. That's not something that you see on all Dooney bags. The bottom does have feet, so 4 feet on the bottom. The stitching, I'm kind of just looking over it as we're talking. The stitching does look really good. I'm not really seeing anything out of whack or anything like that. So yeah, there you go. This does come in lots of colors. For the most part, you know, Dooney is pretty good about having multiple colors for a bag. So I believe it does come in, I think it comes in black. So this is black. I think it comes in black, which has the brown leather strapping, I guess, on it. And then I think navy, maybe, I'm not sure. I'm just guessing, so I'm just gonna leave the link down below for you. I ended up paying for this bag, tax and all. There was no shipping, it was free shipping. It came to $197.73, and I believe it is like 300 and something. 378 is on the tag. So yeah, so I was able to get a good percentage off. And like I said, I'd been waiting for the bag, so it was definitely something that I wanted. I can't wait to move into it. I can't today because I'm on my way to work and just filming a couple quick videos. But I can definitely do, like I said a few minutes ago, I can do a comparison between this one and the Florentine as far as size comparisons and what you can fit in them. But I can also do a what's in my bag for this. If you have any questions, be sure and let me know. But that is it. That's all I have for today. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're staying safe and well. And please do like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.